make your content stand out on Instagram? Maybe you want to make engaging visual content with voiceovers, but you aren't quite sure how to do that. Don't worry, we can help you. We're going to go over exactly how you can make compelling voiceovers with our text-to-speech AI tools with Genny, and then how to import that audio that you just created into Instagram Reels. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future content creation tips. So let's get into it. So here we are in Genny. I went ahead and added a script for an Instagram Reel about how to start meal prepping. Whatever content you want to make, you can go ahead and put your script in here. Then what you'll want to do is go over here to choose your speaker. So you can go here and choose from over 500 different voices for your voiceovers. And select certain filters like whether you want male or female, a certain age range, or as I mentioned earlier, you can even do a voice clone. So I have one here that I used from a recording of my own voice, but it's very easy to create a voice clone. All you have to do is insert an audio file of you speaking. Make sure, like it says over here, the audio is good and clear. So you can upload an audio file, and then you can play with this setting, and then you can go ahead and click Create a Voice. If you want to change these settings here, you can always go ahead and regenerate the voice. Here you can go ahead and preview the voice, and as I mentioned, if you'd like to make any changes, go ahead and change them and then easily recreate. When you're ready, you can give your voice a name and choose a way to describe this voice. As I mentioned here, I already did this for my own voice, and click select to use it for your script. Then you can still make some adjustments. So for example, if it's a little bit slower, you can go ahead and adjust the speed so that way it may sound a little bit more natural and normal. Once you're happy with the recording, let's go over how you can then bring the audio into Instagram. So one thing you'll have to do is actually make this a video and not just an audio file, because with Instagram, you will need to upload a video that they will extract the audio from. But it's very easy to do this. All you want to do is go over to Resource, and you can either choose a video that you already have or just any video from the stock footage here. Also, if you already have your own footage that's ready to go, maybe you've already pre-filmed something that you already know you want to use with the voiceover, you can go ahead and upload your content directly here, and that way you'll have your video ready. So once we have that, we can go ahead and export the video and give it a name. It can be meal prepping voiceover. We'll go ahead and export it. It will export for a few minutes, and then you will want to download it to your computer. And then as I mentioned, you'll want to click here to actually download the file to your computer. Then you'll have to find some way to transfer the file to your phone to be able to add it to Instagram Reels. This can be done with AirDrop, WeTransfer, Dropbox, saving it to your Google Drive, Cloud, things like that. Now let's switch on over to importing it into Instagram Reels. Here we are going to make a new reel. Go over to the music note where you can add audio, and then in the top right, you'll see import. Click on that and then choose the video, so this one here, that you have the voiceover attached to. Click on that, hit done, and you can see over here in the left corner that the picture will be your profile picture, and that means that you will be using your audio. Then easily you can either film with the audio over top, or you can go ahead and add the clips that you want to use in your video, and your voiceover will play automatically over this video. So if you have clips that are pre-recorded or you want to add some stock footage, you can go ahead and add that, and of course make edits, so add text, transitions, other things, and you can see that you have your audio playing over the video. And here's a pro tip for you. Instagram Reels are all about trending sounds, and users can use any sounds in their videos, even including your original audio. So guess what? If you use an audio that many other people enjoy using and it gets trending, that will bring a lot more attention to your page. So to increase your chances of that, try creating audios that can be used in a bunch of different content niches. Try things like motivational message voiceovers or quotes. That way people can just overlay their own clips while using your original audio. And trust me, these audios get a ton of uses. That is just one reason why using original audio and creating voiceovers with Genny can actually help grow your account. Hopefully you found this video helpful and it gave you some inspiration about how to create unique audios to use for your Instagram Reels. If you want to create natural sounding voiceovers in seconds, remember that it can easily be done using Genny. Learn more about Genny and give it a try in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.